What's up, guys? Welcome to another video from DonkeyBassCo. We had to change our plans a little bit this morning. We woke up to a massive cold front that rolled in last night in North Texas. The temperature is about 40 degrees and there's about a 15-mile-an-hour wind, so going to Lake Texoma was a bust. But instead, we decided to go to the spot where I first ever filmed a YouTube video at, and it is a creek that runs from McKinney, Texas all the way to Dallas, Texas. It starts on a golf course and runs into White Rock Lake. So we kind of decided to do a little fishing challenge, and we're going to do an hour-long challenge. Most fish wins, plain and simple. Fun little way to go out there and fish and get back to a spot that I know pretty well. So with that being said, let's do it. Let the hour-long fishing, the hour-long fishing challenge start. Most fish wins. What? Yeah. Let's do it. Got one. Woo! Chunk. I saw him come under the cattails, and I almost got smoked by the golf ball. That was right in front of me. Yes. That would have got a lot of views. Fisherman gets hit by golf ball, then catches bass. Yes, sir. Fish number one. Hey, that's a pretty good one for here. That's about normal. Awesome. Healthy bass. Boom. First fish. Gotta catch some more. Yeah, he was under that. That about smoked me. Did you catch one? Unreal. Hold on, hold on. 1-to-1. 1-to-1. See where he went? Right over here. Literally in those cattails, yeah.
Oh, that was a ball. That had to have been a ball.
Yeah. So that's the third time. Third time I got smoked. Cody. Have to be quiet. There's golfers everywhere. This dude smoked it. Bruh.
Good luck.
2-to-1. Yeah.
2-to-1. Let's see if I'll let you borrow my pliers anymore.
Don't. Keep going. 2-to-1. Time check. Let's do a time check. 40 minutes. 20 minutes in. Let's get back to it. Well, ball number 4 in the water. Yep. Oh. What is going on here, dude? Hey, what's going on right here? Okay. Fish number 3 for me. He hammered it, dude. Back in the water. Woo! Dille, dille. You know this creek runs all the way to Dallas. Yep. This White Rock Creek runs all the way to White Rock Lake. If you tied on a worm right now, you'd probably kill me. You doing it? You doing it?
I feel like they're posted up right in the middle.
Time check. 21 minutes remaining. I have a 3-1 lead. Don't feel comfortable at all with it. I don't even want to know what that's off of. I don't even want to know what that's off of. Yep. This feels like a good one. Oh, he's foul hooked bad. That is a good one though. Yeah. Oh, he's foul hooked bad. He's fighting hard.
Foul hooking?
Yep. Oh, I gotta get him.
Damn, that's a good one, bro.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yeah. Dude, that's a total. That is a total.
Foul hooked him bad in the gill, but it counts. Boy, look, he was wrapped around his tail. That felt like a freight train. Teamwork, Mr. Teamwork.
That's a good one. You want to get a real fish with that one?
That's a beauty.
That's right.
Oh, we're making another Omaha. That's a good fish, man. Whew. All right. Back in the water he goes. Fish number 4. Got about 20 minutes left too, Coco.
Well, that's all I need to do.
Boy, this 4-1 though, bruh. This booyah rattle trap. Killing him. Yeah. Hey, Coco's here, bruh.
What's up, Gucci?
Yeah. What are y'all doing? No doubt, trying to. Yeah, there's pretty good bass in here. Hey, this hat's from like 1995. Are you good at golf?
What?
Are you good at golf? All right, brother. No doubt. Oh, that's a good way to end it. Well, timer just ended. So the winner was me.
The guy unraveling his shit over here.
Okay. 4-1, pretty decent day, pretty fun. And he's still fishing. But yeah, that's gonna end the hour-long fishing challenge here in the creek. And I will see you all in a bit. That is where today's video is going to conclude. I hope y'all enjoyed that little fishing challenge. If y'all did, be sure to hit that like button. And kind of want to talk about the things that I used today. I primarily used a booyah hard knocker and the craw pattern. And that's really what the bass were keying in on, especially with the wind. I used a jig as well, but they really weren't committing to that at all whatsoever. So sticking to a moving bait is something that I kind of took advantage of, especially in the weather today. So I never really had a run-in with golf balls being a problem at that creek until today. Almost got hit by 4 golf balls. Y'all saw 3 of them. The 4th one was actually with my back turned to it, so that was pretty scary. Pretty crazy to see, you know, those golfers actually having to deal with the wind just as much as we were fishing. So, and we actually ran into one of our old teammates, which he was playing with a couple buddies back home. That was the part that y'all saw, that we were talking across the creek with a guy back and forth. So be sure to get on Instagram. I'm doing the Thanksgiving giveaway, and the rules are on that picture, so be sure to get entered in that. And want to wish y'all a happy Thanksgiving wherever you all may be. And as always, I will catch you all on the next video. Peace.